Huge thumbs up. Today we'll be unboxing this Apple TV 4K 2021. Let's unbox it. So we got a Apple TV 4K 2021 64 GB new smart remote, high frame rate. Let's open it and let's find out what we have. Now let's flip it around and open it and see what's inside. Surprise! Let's see. Whoa. So we have this. And we have the remote. Let's take it out of the package. Like the smart remote. The new smart remote. It's like really big. It's like, I love the style of it. It's like, and it has smart touch. Like, it's so like smart. And it even has a Siri button right here. This is inside. Let's flip this open and take this out. Whoa, this is so cool. So there's a charger for like, I think it's for the remote or this, I'm not sure. But it's white and it's so cool. So let's see what the next charger is. I bet. Now let's see what's in here. Whoa, it's really hard. Just opened it up. Let's get excited. This is the last thing. And now let's see. 3, 2, 1. Whoa. This is a really cool charger. It's super long and black. I think, yeah, now I get it. I think this one is for the remote. And this one is for the, yeah, whatever it is.
So I think he
yeah. I'm not,
like there's
yeah.
like this
There's like,
thing?
yeah. Oh, it's so cool. So these are everything about. I bet tomorrow we might get the other things about this TV. So we're gonna connect this to the TV on another video. So see you later. Bye. Like the video.